come down here to start. And Logan, I'm gonna have you start out. You guys are just gonna hold hands, and he's gonna lead you, and you guys are just gonna walk right up this hill. You can turn and look at me, look at each other, make each other laugh, just have fun. So yeah, you can just go ahead, walk right up. Keep going. Oh, yes. You can stop right there. Stop in stride. Hold that. Can you look at me, Logan? Keep going. Both of you look at me. Awesome.
Are we still doing good over there?
Oh my goodness. They're a little bit dark on my screen just because it's bright out here. That looks really pretty.
Oh yeah.
Love that. All right, you guys can start. Can you guys stop right there? Oh yeah, hold each other's hands. Stand a little bit further apart and angle yourselves towards me. Right here, yes. Yes. Great. That's beautiful. Hold that. Look at each other. Keep holding that. Both of you look opposite ways. Yes. Come in a little bit closer now. Yep, together. Yes. Perfect. Look right here at me. I'm trying to get that amazing mountain in the background. That is gorgeous. Wow. Let me show you some of these. Can you hold each other's hands?
Oh, okay.
And hold it down? Yeah. Oh, perfect. Great. Wow. That is absolutely gorgeous. Logan, can you look down at Ashlyn? I'm gonna come up a little bit closer here. Oh my goodness, guys, that's amazing. Okay, so I'm gonna try to get that sun more here in the background.
Same thing.
Let's see. Let's try something different. Can you grip his arm like she is here? So you're gonna hold that hand, yep, and put your arm right there. Actually, let's switch sides so that we can see that ring. Yes. Oh yes.
And in my pocket, or is it?
Yeah, that's perfect. Awesome. Great.
Can you see it?
Yes, yeah, that is perfect. Look at each other. Hold that position.
Don't look at me. Sorry.
Love it. So, can you put your left hand over his? Yeah, like that. And then kind of grip your fingers in there. Perfect. I'm gonna try to get that ring shot right there.
Oh, look, that's it.
That's how you look at
His eyes.
it. So scary.
Gorgeous.
Oh, that's so cute.
You can grab each other's hands and twirl around in a circle.
Got this guy's dark.
Keep going, keep going. Love it. Oh my goodness, guys, that's amazing. Awesome. But I want you to sit like right here. So Logan, I want you to kind of be in the back, and I want you to face me this way. So can you sit right here, Logan, where my foot is? Yep. And back your butt up just a little bit. And then Ashlyn, if you can come in right in front of him, if that works. And you can cross your legs. Is that comfortable? Awesome. Okay. So I'm just gonna get my settings real quick here. You ready? Awesome. Great. Logan, can you nuzzle into her neck? Great. Oh my goodness. Wow, guys. That's great. Ashlyn, look at Logan. Turn your head just a little bit. Yeah. Awesome. Okay, so I want you to look at each other. What I'm going to do is like kind of a creative shot. So just look at each other, lean back into his chest.
Gotta hold me up.
Uh-oh. Look at each other.
My hair okay?
Lean into lean into his. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Good. Can you put your hands over hers, over her legs? And then I want you to put your hands on top of his, Ashlyn. Great. Look at each other.
I wonder how much my chin should.
You look great. Don't worry, Ashlyn. Hold that.
Oh, my legs are tired. Don't lean back on.
Well, my abs
Hold that. Smile at each other.
are so tight.
Great. Awesome. So I'm gonna get a wide shot of like everything with you guys. So can you put your arm around his back?
Your arm around me.
Yeah, your right one. And then hold this front hand here. Yes. Let's see. Oh, wow. Great job, guys. Look up at each other. Great. Guys, oh my goodness, the light. Let's try this. You guys face away and let's see how that looks. And you lean your head up against his shoulder. Oh, wow. So cute. Yep. Kick your legs out. Kick your legs out. There you go. Love it. Hold that, hold that. Hold it. You got it. Can you give each other a kiss? Put your legs back up. Oh my gosh. Beautiful, you're good.
Okay.
I'm sorry for putting you through that. And you see where I'm at? You can just slowly walk towards me and look at each other as you go. Yep, that's perfect. Look at each other. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. Look at me here. Big laughs. Awesome. Look at each other one more time. Perfect.
So just
Wait, should he squat down a little bit? I'm so short. I'm so short.
Turn the angle
I need a
this.
stool. And I'm wearing heels.
So just smile.
Like, come
Yeah, yeah, come down to her. Yes. There we go. Beautiful. Gonna move this a little bit. There we
You look weird.
go. Close your eyes. Can you kiss her on the forehead, Logan? Oh, can you look at me, Ashlyn? Yes, there you go. Beautiful. Hold that. Great. That is really cute. And then I need you to like lean out. Yes. Oh my goodness. Guys, this is beautiful. Can you put one of your legs down, Ashlyn? Yeah, perfect.
Yeah, so let me get your hair like that. You said more of it to me now.
Awesome. Keep doing that. Can you look at her like that? Great. You okay? Look, kind of like look back with your eyes at him. Yes. Okay, I think that's good. Can I ask how you two met? Like your story and everything?
Ingalls.
Okay.
We were 16, 17?
16.
And we met at Ingalls. I was a bagger and she was a cashier.
Uh-huh.
So then kind of went on from there, I guess.
Awesome.
They broke up for a brief period of time and broke my heart.
Oh. Well, look now, right?
She's dramatic.